Hello guys and welcome back to the fresh episode of Gadgets 360 with Technical Guru. This is your weekly dose of all the latest gadgets and tech news. Basically एक ऐसा शो जहाँ पे मैं गौरव आपको हर वीक ये बताता हूँ कि कौन से नए गैजेट्स मार्केट में आए हैं, क्या नई इनोवेशंस हुई हैं, एंड बेसिकली आपकी हेल्प करता हूँ जस्ट टू डिसाइड दैट विच वन टू बाय एंड विच वन टू स्किप. अब बहुत सारा मेरे पास में स्टफ है ऑल फॉर यू इन दिस एपिसोड. काफी मजा आने वाला है, तो जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Friends, gadgets or technology, this is not just moving fast. It is basically rewriting all our imaginations. जो हम कल तक सोचते थे वो हम आज बना पा रहे हैं, जो हम आज सोच रहे हैं हम फ्यूचर में बनाएंगे. एंड बेसिकली हर रोज काफी सारे अनाउंसमेंट्स होते हैं. Lots of new stuffs coming in all our way. So let's do a quick recap to learn what happened this week in this section, news of the week.
Xiaomi Sound Outdoor is a portable Bluetooth speaker offering powerful 30-watt audio output with enhanced bass. Thanks to the dual passive radiators and a woofer boost mode. ये स्पीकर एक sleek और lightweight design ऑफर करता है at just 597 grams with IP67 water and dust resistance, making it ideal for outdoor use. The speaker supports up to 12 hours of playback at 50% volume, charges fully in 2.5 hours via USB-C और ये speaker Bluetooth 5.4 यूज करता है. The speaker is launching in India on 9th December. The visionOS 2.2 update for Apple Vision Pro enhances the Mac Virtual Display with wide and ultra-wide modes equivalent to dual 4K monitors, जो productivity और immersion boost करता है. Audio playback now routes through Vision Pro और display अब और भी sharp है. Available in beta, the update aims to improve spatial computing with a public release expected soon. Motorola has confirmed the launch date of the Moto G35 5G in India for December 10, 2024. ये बजट-फ्रेंडली स्मार्टफोन एक 6.7-इंच Full HD Plus 120Hz रिफ्रेश रेट के डिस्प्ले और Unisoc T760 चिपसेट के साथ आएगा. और ये स्मार्टफोन Flipkart पर अवेलेबल होगा. It also boasts a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 5000 mAh battery and 5G connectivity. Pricing details will be revealed at the launch.
Guys, in the first story this week, I've got not one but two new smartphones. And why they are two? Because, well, they're part of a series. This is the latest from Oppo, the Oppo Find X8 series. What I have on this side is the Oppo Find X8. This is for all the pros because this is the Oppo Find X8 Pro. अब ये जो phones हैं, ये काफी आपको different लग सकते हैं, but they are quite similar as well क्योंकि यहाँ पे both are powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset. They've got amazing cameras because the collaboration of Oppo and Hasselblad is coming into action. हमारे पास में काफी interesting design है, quite sleek form factor at the same time very powerful with huge batteries. एक बार देखते हैं इनको थोड़ा सा up close and let's learn more about these two new phones Oppo की तरफ से for camera lovers and for people who want a complete package. मेरे ख्याल से ये phones काफी exciting है. जानते हैं थोड़ा और इन दोनों phones के बारे में.
The Oppo Find X8 boasts a sleek, minimalist design. इसमें एक 6.59 इंच का AMOLED display for the 500 nits तक की peak brightness, and it is equipped with a 5630 mAh battery and Hasselblad master camera system मिलता है, जिसमें triple camera setup है, including a 50 megapixel primary sensor, ultra wide and telephoto lenses with a periscope design for enhanced zoom and image quality. The Oppo Find X8 is priced at rupees 69,999 for the base 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage variant. The Oppo Find X8 Pro एक premium flagship है with a larger 6.78-inch quad-curved AMOLED display, reaching a claimed 4500 nits of peak brightness and supporting an adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. इसमें एक quad camera system देखने को मिलता है जो Hasselblad के साथ co-develop किया गया है. It includes two periscope telephoto lenses offering 3x and 6x optical zoom. The Pro model introduces advanced computational photography, AI-enhanced zoom, and portrait capabilities. And it also features a unique button for rapid camera access. For the pricing, the Oppo Find X8 Pro with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, जिसका प्राइस रुपीज 99,999 रखा गया है.
दोस्तों देखा आपने क्या है पूरी डिटेल्स और किस प्राइस पे ये फोन्स अभी इंडिया में ओप्पो ने लॉन्च किए हैं. मेरे ख्याल से काफी इंटरेस्टिंग पैकेज है इन दोनों फोन्स का एंड बेसिकली इट्स वेरी गुड टू सी दैट व्हेन ब्रांड्स पुश द बाउंड्रीज we get something like this, because usually what we see is the Pro is really overpowered but the base variant sometimes lags behind. लेकिन यहाँ पे even the base Oppo Find X8 is like a complete package. And by the way इनमें आपको पता है they run on Android, the latest Android 15. हमको आगे अपडेट्स भी मिलेंगे. वैसे मेरे को Android से याद आता है Google, एंड Google दोस्तों मेरे को याद आता है Google का हेडक्वार्टर इन माउंटेन व्यू कैलिफोर्निया, बिकॉज जब भी मैं वहाँ पे जाता हूँ ना द लैंडस्केप इज रियली गुड. बड़े बड़े लॉन्स हैं, घास एकदम हमेशा कटी हुई होती है, यू नो द व्यू इज फैंटास्टिक. बट डिड यू नो कि वहां पे गूगल किसी भी घास काटने वाली मशीन को काम में नहीं लेता है, बिकॉज आई हैवंट सीन वन इन एक्शन एज वेल. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली गूगल यूजेस गोट्स. जी हाँ, बकरियां हैं जो कि आके घास चरती हैं and their waste actually acts like a good fertilizer for the grass. So it's a win-win situation. The goats grazing look good, कोई machine का शोर नहीं होता है, the view becomes fantastic, and then again as I said their waste is turned in a way कि वो जो आसपास के पौधे उनके लिए काफ़ी अच्छे से काम करता है. Do you know this? If yes, then amazing, but if no, then let me know कि क्या है आपकी राय कि गूगल जैसी एक हाईटेक कंपनी अपने हेडक्वार्टर में यूज करती है गोट्स का घास को मेंटेन करने के लिए. फ्रेंड्स, द नेक्स्ट स्टोरी आई हैव इज वेरी बिग एंड एज बिग एज 6,000 करोड़ रुपीज, क्योंकि ये है OnePlus की तरफ से लेटेस्ट अनाउंसमेंट ऑफ द न्यू प्रोजेक्ट स्टारलाइट. बेसिकली द कमिटमेंट कमिंग फ्रॉम OnePlus की OnePlus इंडिया में इन्वेस्ट करने वाला है ऑन एन एनुअल बेसिस 2,000 करोड़ रुपीज अगले 3 साल तक. बेसिकली इन टोटल 6,000 करोड़ रुपीज. I spoke to the OnePlus India CEO Robin and the VP of OnePlus India Ram, और हमने जाना इस प्रोजेक्ट स्टारलाइट के बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल में एंड व्हाट OnePlus इज डूइंग कि वो जो फोन में ग्रीन लाइन आती है ना उसका इशू एकदम कम से कम हो जाए, और अगर आए भी इशू तो हमें लाइफ टाइम वारंटी भी मिल जाए. Let's hear up close what happened during this conversation.
India is one of the largest strategic priorities for OnePlus. So we take care of the OnePlus Indian community very seriously, because the Indian users helped us build such a strong foundation here. We have over 20 million community members, and most of them are coming from the Indian community.
We studied a lot about the Indian community. Indian community is one of the active users of the mobile phones. Surprising fact is that still there are some active users for OnePlus One. So with this insight, what it is going to be? So that means they are expecting something else from OnePlus. That means long durability and reliability phone also.
Yeah.
So that's where this project Starlight comes into picture. What exactly we are going to do is we are going to spend more advanced technological enhancement to make sure that our phone will be the longest to use and don't compromise on any performance and efficiency of the phone.
Ram, I would want to throw a Yorker here.
Yeah.
So the moment you said reliability, I would be very blunt here.
Yeah.
And I would want to bring in the issue of the green line. It is pretty open in the public. What is the reason that people get such thing? And then once you explain, I'll definitely come back to you in terms of what you guys are doing to ensure that your users need not to worry about the line now.
For any such type of issues, so our strategy is very clear. Whenever the issue comes, first try to address this issue so that consumer, our customer will not have any problems. So first thing what we did is, we try to go for a warranty and free replacement of the display and back to our laboratory and try to find out what exactly caused. So in our study and our research, it shows that because AMOLEDs, for longevity of the issues, there may be some factors which are influencing to make these green line issues. So what are those factors? Especially in India regions like monsoons are very high and temperatures are very high and people uses like phone like anything. And third thing is the material is always will have wear and tear. There are multiple factors and there will be, I can say, accidental drops. So by combining all these things, there may be a problem of intrusion of either water or oxygen into the device through the display edges.
Okay.
Then we went and investigating at what exactly the edges is happening on the AMOLED. Then we did some study and say that we are earlier, to put it in a precise way, right? Earlier we are using a material similar to the paper sort of thing to seal the edges of the AMOLED. So that is the culprit which we feel that it's not only the reason because of multiple factors.
Of course.
So then we come up with, again back to the laboratory saying that, okay, which material is going to be more suitable? Then we come up with one of the PVX layer, which is almost like a metallic layer. So if you do with this,
To do the bonding around the
bonding
edges.
around things, so it is more prone for the water and this one. So with this technology, we already adapted. Apart from this, this is one of the technological enhancements. Second thing what we did is, so we are doing, to check the reliability and durability of the phone, we'll be doing the multiple tests, like aging test and then stress test and all those things.
Labs to see
and
all
doing
that.
it, right? So these tools are definitely have international standards. Then what is missing? The missing thing is to bring practical use cases in your testing.
And I think that too, the keeping the diversity of India in mind.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So what we learned from the India, the use cases, we bring into our testing laboratories and we changed, adapted these use cases to the real-time use cases. So this is the second way of addressing this issue. So with this process, we have been adopted from last year. So we are ensuring that what are the products we are going to release from now onwards, we are pretty much confident that our green line issues will be the industry lowest, we can promise with that.
And just in case it happens, then
There is a thing, that's what we already have a called lifetime warranty of the display. And with the interesting fact which we are going to come up with the OnePlus 13 onwards. You need to wait and see when we're doing the OnePlus launch. So that means we have that much confidence on our product reliability and durability. That's where we are coming up 180 days free replacement policy of the new upcoming OnePlus 13.
तो फ्रेंड्स ग्रीन लाइन से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है और अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो उसका जवाब देने के लिए मैं तैयार हूं. बेसिकली आफ्टर द ब्रेक आई विल कम बैक टू यू विद अ वेरी नाइस एंड यूजफुल टेक टिप एंड आई आंसर ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस इन द सेगमेंट आस्क टीजी. सब कुछ मिलेगा, कहीं जाना मत, राइट आफ्टर दिस शॉर्ट ब्रेक. सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक. मेरा नाम है गौरव, आप देख रहे हैं आपका फेवरेट शो गैजेट्स 360 विद टेक्निकल गुरुजी, जहां पे हम हमेशा नए नए गैजेट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं और एट द सेम टाइम मैं आपको टिप्स भी देता हूं दैट हाउ यू कैन मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ योर परचेज. और आज की जो टिप है इट इज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू जिनको अपनी इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज में कुछ नया एक्शन चाहिए. Well guys, the simple tip is that you can use your live photos, or I can say that you can make your live photos एज अ बूमरैंग अपनी इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज के लिए। ये करना बड़ा आसान है। अगर आपके गैलरी में लाइव फोटोज हैं, जो आपको पता है कि बहुत बार हम क्लिक कर लेते हैं नोइंगली और अननोइंगली, जस्ट टू कैप्चर समथिंग बिहाइंड एंड आफ्टर द एक्शन, तो अब आप लाइव फोटोज को अगर यूज करते हैं एज अ बूमरैंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज, आपकी स्टोरीज काफी डायनामिक होने वाली हैं। Stuff that sometimes bring in more conversions and more followers and more likes. Pretty useful. Go ahead, use them all. Now friends, it's time for the fun part, the section जहाँ पे मैं आपके सवालों के जवाब देता हूँ। In this segment, Ask TG, all the questions related to gadgets, कुछ पुरानी यादें, कुछ फ्यूचर की बातें। Let's see the kind of questions we have for this week's episode.
सर क्या अभी Realme GT 7 Pro के लिए वेट करना ठीक है?
GT 7 Pro is already here in the market, my friend. फोन लॉन्च हो चुका है, अब वेट क्यों करना है आपको? अगर आपको फोन पसंद आता है, go ahead, get it. But as I say, we have tons and tons of options in the market. Maybe you'd want the new iQOO 13, or maybe you'd want to wait for the upcoming OnePlus 13. तो मेरी honest recommendation आपके लिए रहेगी, just wait till January. Just for the market to settle a bit, और उस टाइम पे especially in that price range आप अलग अलग ऑप्शंस में से चूज कर पाएंगे कि आपके लिए बेस्ट फोन कौन सा होगा।
हेलो गौरव, क्या स्मार्टफोन कैमरास प्रो ग्रेड पोर्ट्रेट क्लिक कर सकते हैं?
Pro grade portrait from a smartphone camera. See, we all have amazing portrait modes in our smartphones. आज की डेट में काफ़ी एडवांस एल्गोरिथम्स भी आ गए हैं, आपको बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स में मिलते हैं। But the biggest challenge is to give you that natural feel of a portrait shot. Because होता क्या है, when you have a professional camera and a professional lens, physics comes into action. There is no AI, there is no software. Physics की मदद से आपको एक सब्जेक्ट फोकस में मिलता है, यू सी अ ब्लर सब्जेक्ट से आगे इन द फोरग्राउंड एंड इन द बैकग्राउंड, and then you get this amazing portrait shot. Now mobile phone cameras are kind of using software to kind of cut out the subject, थोड़ा सा blur gradient डालते हैं and all. तो मतलब in first glance काफी अच्छे portrait shots हो चुके हैं over the years, but still if you compare them with a proper pro graded cameras, I mean they are not as close. Well, I have no idea on this, but because car and TV, they are completely two different kind of projects. So car, yes, Apple was planning, but now it's no more. TV looks like शायद एक reality possible हो सकती है, especially with the Apple Silicon coming in play. हो सकता है TV with inbuilt kind of features of a Mac Mini, or maybe Apple TV तो of course होगा ही. But then again, I am as clueless as you are. मतलब फ्यूचर को देखना पड़ेगा कि एप्पल एग्जैक्टली क्या करता है। Okay, so friends, that's all from this week's episode of your favorite gadget show. It's Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji. Let me know अगर आपके कोई और सवाल हैं या आपको कुछ भी बातें कहनी है, if you want to say something. Email address is very easy. It's tg@ndtv.com. Drop in all your emails, all your suggestions, appreciations, जो भी आपके मन की बातें हैं. Me and my team will look into all our inbox, because हम एक भी email को unread नहीं छोड़ते हैं. And मैं आपसे मिलता हूँ अगले एपिसोड में with some more fun, some more gadgets. See you all next time, same place. सब कुछ एकदम सब सेम होने वाला है, आपका प्यार भी सेम और मेरे गैजेट्स भी सेम. That's all for this week's episode. Take care and have a good day.